Traveling is amazing. It opens up a world of possibilities and adventures. It's a chance to see new places and experience different cultures. Every destination has its own unique charm and story to tell. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a trip around the world, travel enriches our lives. It broadens our horizons and helps us grow. It provides unique perspectives and creates lasting memories. These moments become stories we cherish forever. So, are you ready for your next adventure? The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Let's pack our bags and go. The journey is just as important as the destination. There's something magical about exploring a new destination. Every corner holds a new surprise. The sights, the sounds, the smells, they all come together to create an unforgettable sensory experience. It's a feast for the senses. Travel allows us to step outside our comfort zones and embrace the unknown. It challenges us and makes us more resilient. It's a journey of discovery, both of the world and of ourselves. So let's embark on this incredible journey together. Packing efficiently can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. It helps you avoid the stress of lugging around heavy bags. Choose versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. This way you can create multiple outfits with fewer pieces. Pack light layers to adapt to changing weather conditions. This ensures you're prepared for both warm and cool climates. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save space and prevent wrinkles. It also makes it easier to find items in your suitcase. Remember, less is often more when it comes to packing. Prioritize essentials and leave behind items you can do without. Don't forget essential toiletries in travel-size containers. This saves space and complies with airline regulations. A first aid kit with pain relievers, bandages, and antiseptic wipes is always a good idea. It can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. Pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated on the go. It's eco-friendly and convenient. A universal adapter will come in handy if you are traveling internationally. It ensures you can charge your devices anywhere. Booking in advance often yields the best deals on flights and accommodations. Be flexible with your travel dates if possible. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season can save you money and mean fewer crowds. Consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport can be cheaper. Look for discounts and promo codes online. Websites and apps offer price comparisons and alerts for deals. Consider booking a package deal that includes flights, accommodation, and sometimes even activities. Don't be afraid to negotiate with hotels or airlines for better rates. Section 4. Staying healthy on your journey. Staying healthy while traveling is crucial. Drink plenty of water, especially when flying or spending time in hot climates. Pack healthy snacks to avoid overindulging in unhealthy airport or gas station food. Wash your hands frequently, especially before meals, to prevent the spread of germs. If you're traveling to a destination with a different cuisine, start slowly and gradually introduce new foods. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to take rest days when needed. Remember, your health is important, even on vacation. Section 5. Respecting cultures and locals. Traveling comes with the responsibility to respect the local culture and people. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Dress appropriately for the destination, especially when visiting religious sites. Be mindful of local customs and traditions. Remember that you are a guest in their country. Support local businesses and artisans by purchasing souvenirs and dining at local restaurants. Ask for permission before taking photos of people, especially indigenous communities. Small gestures of respect go a long way. Section 6. Embrace the unexpected. Travel is full of surprises, both good and bad. It's these surprises that make the journey memorable and exciting. Embrace the unexpected and be open to new experiences. Try things you never thought you would. Things won't always go according to plan, and that's okay. Sometimes the best adventures come from the most unplanned moments. Sometimes the best travel stories come from unexpected detours or mishaps. These moments often lead to new friendships and unforgettable experiences. Don't be afraid to get lost in a new city. Wander off the beaten path and discover hidden gems. Talk to locals and ask for recommendations. Try new foods, listen to local music, and learn about the culture firsthand. Immerse yourself in the destination's unique atmosphere. Participate in local traditions and celebrations. These unplanned moments often become the most cherished memories of a trip. So, pack your bags, book that ticket, and get ready for an adventure. The world is waiting to be explored. Every corner holds a new story, a new experience. Happy travels. Embrace the unexpected and let the journey surprise you.